Hi, I'm Dr. P.K. Talwar, cosmetic surgeon, New Delhi, and I'm practicing cosmetic surgery for more than 30 years now. Previously, I was attached to Apollo and Max hospitals, and now I'm running my own cosmetic laser surgery center at Greater Kailash Part 1, New Delhi. We do lot of cases for liposuction and abdominoplasties, and many times patient gets confused. They ask me, doctor, you are going to do liposuction or you will be doing tummy tuck. So I want to tell you something, or want to inform you something, that see, in tummy tuck also we are doing liposuction. We are removing extra fat from the body, supraumbilical region mein. And tummy tuck is required where the muscles are very weak and there is excess skin. So try to understand, if you have got excess skin which is hanging loose and that is causing problem for you, either while you go for toilet or other things, or cosmetically also you want a very flat abdomen, and you think that loose fold which you have got is coming in way of your beauty or your physique, whatever you call it, then that needs to be excised. So loose skin has to be excised. So whenever we excise loose skin and we tuck it to the incision where we want it to be sutured, that is known as tummy tuck. We are tucking the tummy in such a way so that it becomes more pleasant for you. So that is tummy tuck. Liposuction plus excision of skin is tummy tuck. Only liposuction means your skin has got a good elasticity and it will shrink back to its original shape. So in that case, because it will shrink back, it has got good elasticity, it is not hanging loose, then we do only liposuction. So the difference comes whether your skin is loose or not, and whether your skin contractibility is good. And then naturally, if muscles are weak, we do the tightening of the muscle when we are doing tummy tuck. If muscles are loose and skin elasticity good, then we tell you after liposuction to go for abdominal toning exercises. In that we refer you to go to gym or consult your physiotherapist so that they can give you certain exercises by which you can tone up your abdominal muscles. So that is the basic difference we have to understand. Now how this is performed, tummy tuck, you see, in tummy tuck, because we have to excise the skin, we have to take an incision in such a way that it is well hidden. So we usually take incision in the line of panties, and because that scar will be well hidden. Even if you go in bikini, you are going for swimming, nobody should notice that you have undergone abdominoplasty. So we take an incision in the line underwear and then lift up the skin, the whole skin, like bonnet of the car. And then the abdominal muscles, if they are loose, we tighten them with the help of the sutures. So they are tightened up, and because we are going to excise the skin usually up to the umbilical area, so umbilicus is also to be repositioned in new form. In new form means that we have the skin which is above the umbilicus is released, it is pulled down, and then we create a hole for this umbilicus. So this is you can call it a new umbilicoplasty. So we are repositioning it in a newer form in abdominal skin. That procedure is also to be done in tummy tuck, because once you excise the skin, you have to pull the whole abdominal skin down. This is a major surgery in the sense that while liposuction you can finish in 2 hours, this takes usually 4 hours. And because a lot of stitching is to be done, muscles are to be repositioned, and umbilicus is the skin is to be cut, and a new position to the umbilicus is given in your skin. So healing is also delayed because of massive surgery, and usually it takes 10 to 14 days for the skin to heal up, and your admission is also for 2 to 3 days time. There is we put some drainage also so that there is no collection in that. So tummy tuck, if you have got doubt and you ask your doctor on telephone, the doctor, whether I need liposuction or tummy tuck, remember, if your skin is loose, then you are likely to you are heading towards abdominoplasty or tummy tuck. And if your skin is has got good contractibility, is not hanging loose, then most likely you will benefit from the liposuction. But ultimate decision will be taken by your surgeon. So consult a good cosmetic surgeon in your town. Go to him and let him decide which procedure is good for you or which procedure you will require, and discuss with him, and I'm sure you will get the good results. And if you still want to know something about tummy tuck, or your queries are there, you want to ask some questions, so please feel free to ask us. Consult my team and we'll be very happy to answer any of your questions. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe it. Thank you very much.